Aloe Orange Vitality Elixir, a recipe for youth and longevity. Why this juice? This rejuvenating blend combines 3 powerful natural ingredients: aloe vera, oranges, and ginger, each prized for centuries for their healing and beautifying properties. Aloe vera hydrates and nourishes skin from within, oranges provide a rich dose of vitamin C for collagen production, and ginger stimulates circulation while reducing inflammation. Together, they create a drink that supports clear skin, radiant energy, and youthful vitality. When enjoyed consistently, about 3 times per week for 1 month, this elixir can help brighten the skin, reduce signs of fatigue, and promote a vibrant, youthful glow. Imagine the benefits of keeping it in your routine for an entire year. Ingredients: makes 2 servings, 1 large mature aloe vera leaf or 1/2 cup fresh aloe gel, inner fillet only. 5-6 fresh organic oranges, juiced, 1-2 inches of fresh ginger root. Optional, 1 teaspoon raw honey for added sweetness and antioxidants. Juice of 1/2 a lime or lemon to balance flavor and boost vitamin C. A handful of ice cubes for a refreshing chill. Step-by-step preparation. Prepare the aloe. Vera, slice away the sharp edges from the aloe leaf. Carefully peel off the thick green skin, exposing the clear inner gel. Scoop out the gel with a spoon and rinse it under cool water to remove the bitter latex. Juice the oranges, cut the oranges in half, and squeeze them to extract the juice. For a smoother drink, strain out pulp and seeds, optional. Add the ginger, wash the ginger root and slice off a small knob, 1-2 inches. No need to peel if it's organic. Just drop it straight into the blender. Blend the elixir, place the aloe gel, fresh orange juice and ginger into a blender. Add honey or lime juice if desired. Blend until smooth and frothy. Serve and enjoy. Pour into a glass over ice if you like it chilled. Drink immediately to preserve the live enzymes and vitamin C. Benefits of each ingredient. Aloe vera hydrates skin, soothes digestion, supports collagen production, and is rich in antioxidants that combat aging. Oranges provide vitamin C for glowing skin, immune support, and natural energy. Ginger boosts circulation, reduces inflammation, and adds a warm, zesty kick. Honey, optional, adds natural sweetness, antibacterial properties, and extra antioxidants. Lime or lemon, optional, enhances flavor, sharpens the vitamin profile, and helps alkalize the body. Routine for longevity. Drink this elixir 3 times per week for at least 1 month. Pair with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep for best results. Over time, expect clearer skin, improved digestion, stronger immunity, and a naturally youthful appearance. Think of this juice as a ritual of renewal. Each glass is a step toward healthier skin, brighter energy, and a younger you.